Hey guys, just want to take a minute to tell you the differences between Scout Bobber and the Scout Bobber 60. We'll start here with the 60. It's going to be a 60 cubic inch engine, 5-speed transmission. It's going to come in the Thunder Black and Thunder Black Smoke. Also here, it's going to be blacked out. As you look over on the Bobber, it's going to be chrome. It's going to be a 69 cubic inch engine with a 6-speed. The Bobber's a little bit more premium, so it's got the headlight cap, it's got the premium mirrors here. It's gonna come in 7 different colors, and it's gonna be more an aggressive ride. As if you go with the Bobber 60, it's going to be more of a cruiser. This Bobber 60 has a few add-ons. It's got the saddlebag here and the Pathfinder headlights. So you can trick it out any way you want. Thank you guys from me at Woods Indian Motorcycle. Come by and check us out.